So what I've got here is the 6-pack of the hand wrist strap lanyards from Hukado. These happen to be the 9.5-inch version. They come in various colors and lengths depending on what you're after, but it is a 6-pack of them. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a closer look. We'll pull one out here. They're all the same in the pack I bought. So that's what they look like there. A little bit of stretch to them, not much. Nice and strong. It's got a little slider on there so you can cinch it up against your wrist. Nice feeling to it. And then on this end, it's got a little string there so you can attach that to your devices. So I've got a phone here with a case. Maybe I'll just slide it through the speaker hole here. Just like that. And we'll cinch that up there. Like that. Now I've got a nice wrist strap for my phone. Cinch it up just like that. Feels nice and strong. You could also put it on your cameras, different things. There's always usually a little spot you can connect things to. So maybe you have a GoPro, connecting it through the bottom or different areas like that. But again, these are the 9.5-inch hand wrist lanyards from Hukado.